Now we will discuss the next accounting convention, which is conventions of conservatism. This is the most important convention amongst all. It has been found that in most of the cases, there is a question asked from these particular conventions in the interview board, specifically for the commerce students. So let's have an in-depth analysis about what we mean by the convention of conservatism. What does it speaks? Okay, so conservatism, that particular word is coming from the word conservative. So what we mean by the conservative? Conservative means narrow. This particular convention says that, teaches us that accounting is a narrow concept. So in what sense accounting is a narrow concept? Because all of us know that there is two financial results of accounts, profit and loss, complete opposite to each other. So the accounting concepts, the accounting assumptions toward profit and towards loss are not same. That's why accounting is called conservatism. So why they are not same? Now we will see that. So when we see that profit, the word profit is recorded, written, recognized only after profit is earned in the business. So we are specified that profit is completely post-mortem in nature. Yes, the profit is fully post-mortem because it is recorded only after profit is being earned. It cannot be recognized in advance. There is no concept something just like the future profit in the business. Be sure of that. Now we are coming to the losses. When there is a possibility of losses, it is always recorded in advance. So losses is considered as pre-mortem in the business. We will consider the loss before loss is suffered in the business. Be sure of that. How? By creating provisions. In accounts, the losses are recognized in advance by way of creating provisions in different forms. Just like provision for bad debt. This is familiar to all of you. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for depreciation, etc., etc., etc. So provision basically is a losses against the different sort of assets. So when provisions are made before the actual loss taken place in the business. So that makes the difference between the profit and loss from accounting point of view. Here the profit are recorded and recognized only after profit is being earned. That's why it is called post-mortem, while losses are recognized in advance, before the losses is being suffered in the business. So this is the reason behind which the convention of conservatism is all about. And this is the rules, this is the guidelines which we must follow while we are preparing accounts. Then only the accounts will reveal the true and fair picture of the financial position of the business. That's all about the convention of conservatism.